So what's up, YouTube? Welcome to downtown Buffalo with Heather and I. And I think this would be a good start to our video. Nice Corvette, some people running around like idiots, that old guy on a scooter, and Heather, wherever she is, behind me somewhere.
I'm right here.
Did it say stop back there? It did. It definitely did, and I'm way up here. Alrighty.
Followed the Corvette.
Yeah, I did too. I was trying to play with the Corvette. So today's adventure is a nice few-hour trip to Binghamton, New York to see Heather's family.
Actually, Vestal.
Ah, you know, that too. But I was going to leave out exactly where we were going, but whatever, it's fine.
They don't know that.
I know. So we're going to go see some of Heather's family that we haven't seen in a little while. Maybe head down to PA for a bit and see her father, who's at a camper, which would be cool. And what else are we going to do? Oh, there might be a car show involved. Ooh, ah.
Yep.
But as always, I am on the ZX6R and Heather's on the 300. And we're going to be touring this one out. Should be a good time. Watch out that car on your left there.
Yeah, I saw it.
I wasn't sure if they were going to...
Thank you, though.
Yeah, I don't know if they're... Because some people try to cut over and go right here. So, what other news we got for the nice people at YouTube? Oh! Heather's Instagram. It's Heather Moto Girl. Right? Yeah, that's it.
Right.
So check that out, you know, at Heather Moto Girl. You know, you guys know. I'll put a link in the description. So check that out. She'll have some nice pictures of her bike, herself, a cat, maybe two. Other stuff that goes on. Beer. There'll be beer on there. I guarantee there'll be beer. Probably donuts. So today's plan, the first step, is to head down to Paula's Donuts. And for those of you who are not from Buffalo, you won't understand. But it's like crack. It's delicious. Heather, we're going to move left one lane. And we're both hungry, so we're going to get some donuts, or a donut, because you only need one.
All you need is one. They're big.
All you need is love. And check out Heather's Instagram. There'll probably be a picture of it on there. If not, it'll be on mine. And we're both kind of sniffly today. Allergies, I guess. So if you hear us sniffling, you know, just forgive Heather. Don't forgive me. I edit these things, so I'll edit my sniffles out. I'm not doing it for hers. I think we need to move left one more, don't we, at some point?
Yeah, I'm not sure if both of these lanes go or...
No, I think it's left and then another one. So we're going to get in front of that car I just passed, because it looks like they're slowing way the hell down. And I'm going to move left right now. Just so we're over here. Yeah, it's definitely here, because remember this lane then divides into two. Like,
oh, yeah.
like oddly like this. It's really weird to me how it does that. But whatever. Not my problem. So we're going to hit some highway, which is boring, and then we're going to hit some back roads, which is more cool, and then we're going to hit some more highway, and then we'll get there. So we'll be cruising. Got the saddlebags on again. We'll see them from Heather's camera. And some other upgrades that happened to the ZX6R since the last time we spoke. The Ninja 300 is basically the same since the last time, right? We haven't done anything to it. So, yeah. We can just, I mean, we want to get off at Union anyways, which is like a mile ahead, so I don't know if you want to get in front of these cars or just stick behind them.
In front.
Okay, you better speed it up then. Oh, yeah. Everybody's starting to bunch up again. We might as well just get back here.
Is it this one?
Yep, this one here. Okay. Make sure nobody's coming flying. I'm gonna sit right behind this line here. It's still green arrow, so we're good.
Yeah, I saw.
He was like digging for something, like,
Right. I think his wave was like a thank you.
yeah, like sorry. I think that's what it was. Why I didn't.
Well, yeah, sorry, thanks.
Yeah, my bad. Yeah, no, that's why I kind of just. It was just like I don't really want to sit here while you dig for something. Like we could be rolling. So I don't know how far ahead it is on the right, but it's up there a little ways. Hi, pretty girl.
Hi.
I'm gonna do a battery swap no matter what when we get there, just to have a fresh one. It's warm out, huh?
Yeah.
And then it's to the left. And I don't know if I'm supposed to be turning here or not, but I'm doing it anyways.
Doesn't say you can't.
I know, right? I'm not going to park there because there's a giant fucking catch basin. I'm going to park over here by the SUV. Or right here on the right. To the right it is.
Even if you pull on the clutch, it wants you to go faster.
I know. If I was in 6th gear, I'd probably just be like cruising down there now. Okay, so I figured it out. 5th gear right now is good for me.
What?
5th gear is good for me right now.
I might be in 3rd or 4th.
Well, I'm not even on the gas though, and I was just rolling down the hill, stuck it like, and it stayed it where it was. The fuck off my side of the road. You I understand, truck. You're fine, but the guy making the corner on my side of the road, no. How you doing on fuel?
Still 3 bars.
Okay.
How are you doing?
I don't know. The only thing I can tell is by how much fuel I normally use. Or by how many miles I've gone, I mean. And I can't really change that while driving. About 60 to 70 miles left.
Before the light comes on?
Yeah. So we got time. We'll get to...
Not more.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We'll get around there or Dansville. Looks like a good bump right in the middle of the... Oh, we're going to stop for it.
Right there.
Yeah, right there. I think it's just the crown of the road there. Suzuki to your right. Looks like a 250. Little guy. It looks little, at least. It might not be. It could be a bigger engine, but... It's fucking warm sitting still, huh? I swear to God, if he's going straight, I'm going to kill him. Oh, no turn on red. That's probably why he's just sitting there. Yeah, it's just this right here, that. And a manhole. That you just missed. Good job.
Thanks. I've gotten better at just going 5 those things.
Yep. Babe, you have some really nice levers on that bike.
Thanks to match yours.
They're exactly the same fucking thing.